everybody, it's Corey and Denise from Does Size Matter, and as you may or may not know, we are rvSomtimers, so that means that occasionally we also travel by air, and looking back on our previous air trips kind of has us not really looking forward to our next air trip.
In consideration of that, we've come up with 5 reasons why we prefer RV travel over air. Reason number 1 is crowds.
We don't really like the crowd. But in the RV, we much prefer the wide open spaces and minimal lineups.
Perfect, perfect,
Sure is nice not to be waiting in line.
That it is. After you. The second reason is that we really don't like being under someone else's control. When they announced they'd overbooked by 10,
They overbooked
well, they're asking for 10 people to give up their seats. And we checked in 7 hours ago, and we're not sitting together. No, because they overbooked.
First plane is got mechanical difficulties and those people can't get on, so they've got another plane on order, bringing some mechanics in to fix that plane, but problem with that plane, they gotta turn around and go back. By the time they get a plane into Kamloops, we are so late and so delayed that we miss all our connections, and I mean that's us and a couple of flights before us. We all miss our connections, get into Vancouver. Okay, so they're gonna put us up in a room, but I didn't want to stay in that room anyway. So when you're traveling by air, you end up having to stay in hotel rooms, and well, look at this. There just seems to be no place for anything, and my stuff's all over. When I'm in my RV, I got a spot for everything and I just put it in there. So whether you're in a big RV or a small RV, it doesn't matter because you just have your spot and that's where your stuff goes. I mean, there's not even a towel rack in this bathroom.
Another reason we prefer RV travel over air travel, particularly when you're traveling and not staying in one place, we're living out of suitcases. There's nowhere to put anything. You're trying to find what you need for the day, and you have to go through 3 suitcases to do that. Part of that's poor planning. The other thing, this is a big one for me, and it doesn't matter what the level of the hotel is, the pillows, they're so thick. And I cannot, my neck hurts, my shoulder hurts.
They give us a confirmed flight, get this, 24 hours later. So what do we spend the day doing? Trying to get on standby flights, but you know what? All those other people ahead of us, they were trying to get on standby flights too.
Well, we've made it on a flight, 21 hours late, but we're on a flight. Let's hope our bags show up.
But in the RV, if there's a delay in travel, we decide how to handle it.
Did you say snack?
Gonna sit around and wait.
This is a great idea.
So if there's a delay and we have to spend the night someplace, I got my own bed and my own pillow. My jammies are right here. My toothbrush is right here. I know where all my stuff is and I sleep in the comfort of my own home.
Reason number 3 is I really don't like going through security. With their gloves and their probes, I just really actually feel violated.
But in the RV, this is what a security check really looks like.
Doors are latched. Awnings are in. Slides are all in. Security outside. Check.
All overhead bins and cabin storage is secure.
The fourth reason we don't like air travel is you're always in a rush. Are we late?
Final boarding.
Seriously?
But in the RV, we can just take our time. Hey, what time is it?
It is 10:45.
Oh, so we're out before 11.
Still pretty quick for us.
It
really is.
Honestly, if we can get out on the road slightly after a general campground closes, we're happy.
Yeah. So reason number 5 is the cramped seating and lack of space. Fairly spacious.
No. Did we want anything out of our bags?
Now's the time.
Before there's a third person
I think it's a short flight.
earphones.
Yeah, maybe earphones.
I know there's something.
One thing about it, this entertainment system's so close, it looks like a big screen.
Please reach and ring your flight attendant call back.
I might not need my glass.
No, I don't think so.
How's the leg room?
It's a little cramped, a little restricted here. I can't get my legs on the seat in front of me. It's really quite annoying.
But in the RV, we get so much more. Oh, my comfy seat with all my leg room. Look at this expansive view. So in the end, when you put it all together, if all goes well, air travel is way faster, but we just prefer the experience of traveling by RV. So let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you out there.